So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can download all photos at the same time on Google Photos. So as you can see here, I'm currently on Google Photos. So to download all of these at the same time, what we need to do is select each individual photo or category here and then go through, select every single one that you want to download. And once we selected all the ones that we want to download, we now need to go to the top right hand corner, click on the three dots. And from here, you will now see an option for download. Click on the download button. And as you can see, preparing to download 20 items. And what this will do is it will download all of these photos at the same time. So once it has finished downloading, I will show you what you need to do. So as you can see here, the downloads have now finished. So I'm going to click on this to open it up. And essentially what this will do is it will give you a zip file that looks like this. So as you can see, you can click into it and then all of the photos will then be inside this folder here. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can download all photos from Google Photos at once.